Hi, this is Sally from Zoom. Now I will introduce our product MT503 bamboo wireless charger with alarm clock and table lamp. Let's plug it in and check out its features. It's an all-in-one bedside or desk extension, a wireless charging station for multiple devices, a digital alarm clock, and a touch control table lamp. First, the 15-watt wireless charger for your smartphone. Just put your phone here. The charging instantly. Next, a 5-watt wireless charger for your earbuds. No more cable clutter. And yes, there is even a dedicated wireless charger for your smartwatch. It's perfect for home, offices, or as a corporate gift. It also has a digital alarm clock with time, date, and temperature display, and a touch control table lamp with adjustable brightness. It's perfect for home, office, and for gifts. We support OEM services with minimum order of 1,000 pieces. Welcome to visit our factory in China, Shenzhen. Scan the QR on the screen to add our WhatsApp and WeChat. And for more new eco-friendly texts like this, please subscribe to our channels, click on the bell notification icons, likes, and comment your idea of what you think about our products. Bye bye! See you on the next video with something more exciting.